Hey there, welcome to the UkeStuff channel and welcome to this tutorial video for the play-along videos of a recording that I made of a song entitled the Aloha Song that was written by my friend Kalani Das. Kalani, by the way, is a music educator and a master clinician that works with Parapole Incorporated as I do, and he introduced this song on his channel, and you can check out the Ukulele Club is what he calls it, and he talks about this song and he plays it. And I made a play along of this because I started the 2021 through 2022 school year every day playing this song with all of my students in grades K through 5. So at the end of the year, my fifth graders who learned ukulele wanted to play the song, so I taught it to them away from play along video and then put it into the format of play along video. And what I did is I recorded my voice right on my iPhone and then used the Music Memos app, which Apple has now decided to stop making. The Music Memos app was incredible because it would add a bass line and a percussion part to your recording. It was something that they created for musicians, finding out that musicians were using voice notes to save ideas. And I think they've now decided to terminate that program, and unfortunately the functionality isn't coming back in any other app. So we're going to do this videos. First of all, we're going to look at the chords you need for GCEA soprano concert or tenor ukulele. Then we're going to take a look at the chords you need for baritone DGBE ukulele, and then I'll talk about the strumming that I use in the song. If you want to support this channel, there are three things you can do. First of all, you can like this video. Second, you can subscribe to the channel. And third, you can always say thank you to me for making this content by making a donation at buymeacoffee.com/UkeStuff. And if you like the chords that you see in the song and you like the song itself, you can find the chord chart for the song at UkeStuff.info. All right, let's begin with the chords you need for GCEA soprano concert or tenor ukulele. I'll be using this instrument. This is my Enya Nova concert ukulele with a neck illusion sticker for UkeStuff.info on the fretboard. The first chord you need is the C chord. The second chord you're going to need is the A minor chord. The third chord you'll need is the F chord. The fourth chord you'll need is the G7 chord. The fifth chord is the C7 chord. And then finally, what we call the Hawaiian D7, which isn't really even a D7. We won't go into it, but long story short is two-finger chord built on strings 4 and 2. And those are the 6 chords you need to play the Aloha Song on GCEA soprano concert or tenor ukulele. Now let's take a look at the chords you need to play the song on baritone ukulele. All right, for baritone ukulele, I'll be using my mainline baritone. It has a cedar top, solid cedar top, and rosewood back and sides. The first chord is the C chord. Then add one finger and go to A minor. The next chord is a partial bar chord. It's the F chord. Do not get freaked out by the F chord on baritone. Unfortunately, it is where a lot of people give up because it requires you to play more than one string using a bar or your finger sort of as a capo across the strings. Now, this is a partial bar chord, so all you have to do is cover strings 1 and 2 right above the middle first fret and just pull against the fretboard while supporting your ukulele against your body with your other arm. And then pull against, and you should get most of the clear sound you need without even using your thumb. You don't need to have a super strong grip here like a vice to do this. Let the force of pulling against the fretboard give you most of what you need, and then just slightly support with your thumb. That should give you the clear sound you need, then add 2 fingers. And that's your F chord. Then we've got the G7 chord. We have this C7 chord. So the easiest thing to do here is play the C chord, then add 2 fingers to it. So play the C chord, and then add the next 2 fingers. And I'll get you to your C7 chord. And the good news in the song is that you'll only be using it to go from C to C7 to F. So it only happens once in the song, C to C7 to F. And that will just get you right through that sort of change into the F chord, C to C7 to F. And the final chord you need is the D7 chord. And those are the 6 chords you need to play the Aloha Song by Kalani Das on baritone DGBE ukulele. Now let's talk about strumming. Now, as it goes to strumming, again, there is no one single right answer. I know what I did on this recording, but what I did isn't what you need to do either. As long as it fits the tempo and it works with the song, that's what matters and that's what you should play. For me, what I do is I play what we call the island strum. And it's down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up. So, if you're struggling with that, maybe work parts of it. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, or down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up. It's all just a variation of down, up, down, up, down, up with a little bit of a swung beat to it. So what you'll hear me do in the song is down, down, up, down, up. Aloha, aloha, it's how we say hello. Aloha, aloha, it's how we say hello. And generally when I have not a full measure, I just play the first part of the bar. Down, down, up, down, down, up. Aloha, aloha, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. So, I just do, when I'm changing chords more than one chord lasting per measure, I'm just going a down, down, up on those shorter sort of sequences. So again, one more time through. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. Aloha, aloha, it's how we say hello. Aloha, aloha, it's how we say hello. Some say hola, some say bonjour, some say guten tag, I think, I'm sure. Aloha, aloha, it's how we say hello. Aloha, aloha, it's how we say hello. And those are the chords and the strumming pattern that you'll need to play along with me on the Aloha Song as written by Kalani. All right, thanks so much for joining me for this video. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll be back soon with some more Uke stuff for you.